you to not eat fast. I don't want to eat fast. Then who made it? Who eat it fast? I don't know. I never eat fast. But he will never take us if he hears a hiccup. I don't know, but everything will be fine. You need to obey. Obey now. Did you know there's an ancient Greece? I do. I also met it. And it's just that Rosie found a teensy-weensy spider when it's not even big. So funny. But what the others are doing? Oh, buddy, they're there. And no one eat fast. Then who? Buddy, it was Journey. But it's okay. I don't hear it. Journey. It wasn't me got the hiccups. Then who? It's just that K. Brown said that you were the one got the hiccups. I told you that Buddy got his phone. His phone was in his pocket. Yeah, you eat fast, and you know you are good. We are never going to Lily house. Wait for me. Rance was wearing clown shoes for his soccer because Emily, you mean Lucy? You mean Lucy? Oops. No, Miss Lollipop. Luce. Oh yeah, Luce was the one put the clown shoes because she wanted to play paws and unpaws with him. Then who got the hiccups? We don't know. We don't know how. Who got the hiccups? We don't know. Excuse me? You are the one. Ah! Hiccup. Jack got it! Sorry that I eat fast. Why did you lie to us that you didn't eat fast? It was you! Why did you lie to us? We thought it was Johnny, but it was you. I'm smelling. What can we watch? I know what we can watch. I am going to YouTube. now, please, please.
These songs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, N, O, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
Amen.
Y, and Z. Now I know my
Amen.
know the alphabets now.
We begin with
Didn't work.
A. A.
Oh, it didn't work.
For ant.
See you for the next episode. Bye.